gusto nating isolve ang problem when it comes to stress and mental fatigue. Because in the industry right now, wala pa ako masyadong nakikitang players in the industry na ang kanilang focus has something to do with solving the problem, which is stress. Ano yung stress? It has something to do with your cortisol level. Mataas ang cortisol mo pero hindi bumababa. So wala pa ako masyadong nakikitang company na yan ang kanilang focus. So our focus right now is to combat stress and prevent stress-induced illnesses. Bakit po? According sa study, ito po yung sinite ko dito na reference. You can actually validate this one if you want, no, to validate kung totoo po ba itong sinasabi ko sa inyo. Right now po, in this study, the authors discuss how chronic psychological stress can contribute to various illnesses. Yung stress daw ng tao, mental yan, but it can actually contribute to different illnesses, including specifically cardiovascular diseases. And most likely, yung autoimmune disease, ito talaga yung pinaka-problem. Kung may mga kakilala kayo na may mga autoimmune diseases like psoriasis, like those people having lupus, pansinin nyo sila. Kapag ka na-i-stress yan sila, lumalabas yung kanilang symptoms ng kanilang sakit, yung kanilang condition. It's because of stress. That is stress-induced illnesses. So this is something that we would like to solve. All right? So the increase of stress has something to do with the level of cortisol because itong cortisol kasi it binds with the immune cell receptors. Thereby, kapag ka nag-bind ito sa immune cells, this will actually alter the function of your cells. So now, ano itong product natin? Okay, this is it, no? Our product is a multi-target dietary supplement. Pag sinabi natin multi-target, different parts of the body, yun yung ating ita-target na mabigyan ng solusyon. Right? Or also known as a fully functional supplement. Ano po yun siya na multi-target? Okay, this is our brain, heart, as well as our gut. Kaya our product is actually, kapag ka ininom mo ito, this is going to be a brain activator, heart energizer, and gut revitalizer. Alright? So, eto pong tatlo ang atin pong bibigyan ng solusyon. Bakit? Because, without you knowing, ladies and gentlemen, eto pong tatlong ito ay magkarugtong po sila. Okay? They are interconnected and they are communicating with each other because of this particular nerve na ang tawag po ay vagus nerve. Kapag ka sumasakit ang ulo mo, may migraine ka, bakit minsan nasusuka ka? Or hindi nga siguro minsan, kadalasan, pag inaatake ka ng migraine, bakit gusto mong sumuka? Ang layo naman yata, nasa ulo, tapos nakakaapekto sa sikmura. It's because your brain is actually connected to your gut. Alright? And kapag ka-stress ka, not functioning well ang utak mo, bakit? Mahapdi ang sikmura mo because connected sila. And another thing, ladies and gentlemen, bakit kapag nagkakaroon ka ng stimulus na fear, stress, tension, that has something to do with your brain activity, bakit kumakalabog ng mabilis ang heart mo? Because magkarugtong po ang brain at saka ang heart. That's the reason why kung gusto natin ipa-improve ang brain activity, ang brain function, kung gusto nating pawalain ang stress level or ang mataas na cortisol level sa utak ng tao, dapat rin kasabay niyan ay i-improve natin ang heart at saka gut. Because it won't be effective na isa lang sa kanila ang susolusyonan natin kasi nga magkarugtong sila, and these three are actually considered as the three brains of the human body. Hindi po iisa ang brain ng tao, tatlo po. Okay, later on ipakita ko sa inyo bakit tatlong brains po ito. Okay? So now, what's going to be your experience kapag naging habit mo itong ating product, all right? When this product becomes part of your lifestyle, may sakit ka man or wala kang sakit, I encourage you to take this one. Why? Because this gives you an experience of ultimate mental boost. Nagiging alert ka, enhance yung iyong memory, sharp yung iyong alertness, yung energy mo tumataas, bumababa yung cortisol level mo, tumataas ang dopamine mo or your joy feeling, no, your dopamine, that's give you your feeling of satisfaction. yung feeling of motivation mo naaapektuhan din because always remember high level of dopamine, lower level of cortisol, and lower level of mental fatigue will give you a feeling of motivation. Alright? So ito yung gusto natin na i-introduce sa market that it will give them the feeling of reduced mental fatigue. Okay? So now, one of the best examples of what our product can do is actually it reduces your cortisol or your stress hormone and it will increase your serotonin. Ito po talaga sila, no? Pababain ang stress hormone, then your serotonin i-regulate natin so that it will give you the feeling of good mood. So pansinin niyo yung mga tao na hindi maganda ang mood, they are actually those people na mababa ang serotonin level. As well as your dopamine, no? Dopamine it increases your dopamine. Your dopamine gives you the feeling of satisfaction and happiness. Kaya nga every now and then kapag kayong bata, not only bata, no, even tayo mismo. Kapag kumain ka ng chocolate, ang chocolate kasi actually increases dopamine. Kaya ka nakaka-feel ng medyo masaya ka, nakaka-feel ka ng joy kapag kumain ka ng chocolate because cocoa actually increases your dopamine level. Alright? Na-experience din yan ng mga smoker na tao. Kapag nag-smoke ang tao, umi-increase din yung kanilang dopamine. Nakaka-feel sila ng satisfaction. Alright? But of course, in our case, no, we don't need to smoke para matumaas ang ating dopamine. So it's already in our ingredient, alright, to increase our dopamine level. And aside from that one, ladies and gentlemen, our product actually improves our artery, no, because it has a vasodilation effect. Ano itong vasodilation? It prevents your artery from hardening because of calcium. Okay? Now, yung calcium kasi akala natin masyado kasi tayong na-hype na uminom ng gatas para maging malusog yung bones natin, maging strong yung bones natin, but unfortunately, we are not aware and we are not given education about it that too much calcium in the body at the same time, low level of magnesium. Ulitin ko pag mataas ang calcium, mababa ang magnesium, chances are the calcium from your bone will be, okay, sasama siya sa dugo mo and it goes around somewhere else in your body. Because the magnesium binds with calcium and instructs calcium to stay in the bone. Pero pag mataas ang calcium level mo sa dugo, there is a big possibility that those calcium will calcify in the lining of your artery. Alright? Tumitigas siya. Pansinin nyo yung mga tubo sa gripo ninyo kapag pinutol nyo yung lumang tubo, mapapansin niyo may mga dumidikit doon sa lining ng tubo. The same din 'yan. At certain point no, there is calcium in the water. Lalo na sa mga tubig na galing sa mountainous area, there is always a calcium deposit doon sa tubo. The same happens in our artery. Pag mataas ang calcium, naiipon sa artery, tumitigas, nagiging rigid ang artery natin, and it has to be dapat flexible. Kasi kapag na-vasodilate siya or naging flexible siya, lumuluwag siya, nare-relax siya, at yung dugo mo nakaka-flow ng maayos. Now, what's the connection of that flow of dugo in your mental focus? Why? Good flow of dugo, good circulation ng blood will always tantamount to good flow of oxygen doon sa brain. So kailangan it has to do this, we have to do this way na yung product natin could also enhance our artery in our heart. Alright? And at the same time, our product can actually also improve our digestion and absorption. Ladies and gentlemen, gaano man po kaganda ang food supplement na iniinom nyo, kung marumi naman ang bituka ninyo, baliwala din po yan. Why? Because most of the nutrients na naandun sa supplement ninyo, natatapon yan. Kakaunti lang ang na-absorb ng iyong katawan because your gut has a problematic in terms of its absorption and digestion. So what we're going to do is that we have to put an ingredient in our product that can improve digestion and optimize absorption. Okay? Later on, I will show you ano pong mga ingredients na yan. So, our our product, balikan ko lang po ito saglit, our product, ladies and gentlemen, is composed of synergistic bioactive compounds. I want you to focus in the word synergistic and bioactive compounds. When we talk about synergistic, it means katuwang, magkakatuwang, magkaka-alyado, no? Synergy. Why synergy? Because when we talk about synergy, I always believe na there's no such thing as a silver bullet or a one-size-fits-all single ingredient for good health. Hindi po talaga ako naniniwala na may isang particular ingredient lang, iisang klase lang, na pwede mong i-claim na lahat kaya niyang gawin sa katawan mo, kaya niyang pagalingin kahit na anong uri ng sakit because of that single ingredient. Mahirap po siyang, for me, mahirap po siyang i-digest sa brain ko. Mahirap ko po yan siyang paniwalaan. It's simply because human beings are intelligently created by God. Ginawa ng Diyos ang iba't ibang prutas at gulay. Iba-ibang kulay. Bakit hindi ginawa ng Diyos ang prutas na isang kulay lang? There's a purpose on that. Because every prutas, every gulay na magkakaiba ang kulay means different type of phytonutrients. And our body requires different types of phytonutrients. Alright? So, the same as rainbow. A rainbow, learn it from the pattern of nature. The rainbow is consists of different colors. The minerals, the full spectrum of minerals, the full 74 types of minerals, magkaiba po ang kulay niyan. And we all need those minerals. That's why hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na because of isang herb lang, kaya niyang lahat gawin. No, malabo po 'yun. Okay? And at the same time, I would like to emphasize, ladies and gentlemen, that what we are using as part of our ingredient is actually not powdered herbs. Hindi po kami gumagamit ng powdered herbs dito. Why? Because what we are using are bioactive compounds. Ano yung bioactive compounds? Like for example, in this image, may makikita kayo dito powdered na turmeric. Is turmeric good? If you're going to ask me, is turmeric good? My answer is yes. It's very, very good. Why? Because turmeric contains curcumin, which is very good for our digestion. It is also good for our mental boost. However, for me, I would rather encourage, no, na in every company, sinasabi ko ito, huwag kayong gumamit ng powdered herb. Instead of using dinurog or pinatuyong turmeric, why not partner with a laboratory to extract the curcumin of that turmeric at yun ang gawin yung ingredient doon sa loob ng capsule. Alright? So what's my point of saying this to you? It's because I want to put an emphasis, ladies and gentlemen, that what we are using in our ingredients are bioactive compounds. Hindi po ito yung pinatuyong mga dahon, pinatuyong prutas or gulay, tapos dinurog, ginawang powder. But instead, what is inside that fruit, what is inside that herb, yun ang in-extract natin. Ang tawag po noon, bioactive compounds. Do we have the capacity to do that? No, we don't have the capacity. That's why we partnered with two well-known laboratories outside the Philippines. It's no other than Mibil Biochemistry in Switzerland and Japan Bioscience Laboratory, of course, in Japan. So sila po yung tumulong sa atin. Nakapag-outsource po tayo ng bioactive compounds from them at yun ang ginawa nating ingredient, main ingredients, no, sa atin pong supplement. That's why I would like to introduce to you the name of our product is Sika Plus Tri-Health Formula. And this is going to be the first brain, heart, and gut supplement in DR capsule. So ito yung magiging selling proposition po ng ating company. We are the first supplement for brain, heart, and gut. Take note, in DR capsule. Mahalaga pong maunawaan natin itong DR capsule. Later on, I will explain to you anong ibig sabihin ng DR capsule. So now, ano yung unang ingredient ng ating product? Okay, the first ingredient of our product is no other than timot pepper. Ano yung timot pepper, Sir Ryan? Paminta po ba yan? Actually, timot pepper is like, in Chinese terminology, they call this one as chikwan pepper. But actually, etong timot pepper actually is tumutubo lang siya sa Himalayan regions, specifically in Nepal, in Bhutan, along the regions of Mount Everest, no, around the area of Mount Everest. Para siyang paminta, but it actually belongs to the family of citrus. Okay? Hindi siya more on of the paminta but more on of the citrus family. Now, for so many long years, ito po na herb na to ay ginagamit ng mga locals, no? And they are claiming that this food, this particular herb, actually improves their mental cognition. So what Mayville Biochemistry did, pinag-aralan ito, gumawa ng clinical study, they extracted the content of this timot pepper. Paano nila in-extract? Ang paminta po, or ganito, itong timot pepper, pagka dinurog mo yan, hindi naman siya naglalabas na talaga ng katas because nga medyo ang paminta is medyo powdery, no? Hindi naman siya oily. So what they did is that Mayville Biochemistry used this technique known as solvent extraction technique. Ano yung solvent extraction technique? Gumamit po ang Mayville Biochemistry ng medium chain triglyceride na oil. Binabad po nila itong timot pepper for quite some time. Okay, binabad nila. Dinurog, binabad. Hanggang sa yung active ingredient nitong timot pepper or yung active compound nito ay naghalo doon sa oil, yung medium chain triglyceride na oil. And when that oil has already the full concentration, no? Parang ganito, yung oil nyo, lagyan nyo yan ng sili, umaanghang din yung oil. The same principle applies. Nagiging solvent yung MCT oil, doon nagko-concentrate ang tinatawag na hydroxy-alpha sansule. And when the oil is already full of the concentration of this bioactive compound, dito na ngayon nagkaroon ng filtration process para ihiwalay yung oil at saka yung bioactive compound at naging powder. That's why what we are using is the powdered form na galing doon sa separate na oil. And this is proven based on the clinical study. Ipakita ko sa inyo later on. It is proven that it is 7 times more potent than the oil solvent form. All right? So what's going to be the effect of Sarapip in our body? It is actually a nootropic. When we say nootropic, meaning sa nootropic is brain activator or mood enhancer. So it improves our memory and focus and reduce stress and fatigue. So I would like to show you a clinical study, ladies and gentlemen. Ito po yun siya. Okay, ano po itong clinical study na ito? Ito po siya, sa first na picture, ito po ay clinical trial for several number of people na pinatry nung extract ng timot pepper, which is hydroxy-alpha sansule. Ito pong first na line, ito pong yellow na graph, ito po siya, yung bar graph na yan. Ito po yung mga hindi pinagamit ng active compound. At ito namang isa, itong puti naman, ito yung pinagamit ng active compound. Now, as a researcher, ladies and gentlemen, kapag tumitingin ako ng clinical studies, I always look for this figure. Ito po nakikita nyo yung may P less than 0.05. Ang tawag po niyan sa research na terminology is the p-value. Siguro may mga members dito are already into master's degree or doctorate degree. Meron silang mga thesis, no? Na-encounter nyo po itong tinatawag na p-value. Constant po ito na number. Hindi po ito pwedeng magbago. According sa research, no? Kapag ang result is less than 0.05, ang ibig sabihin niyan, they are interrelated, they are connected, and statistically significant. Yun po ang meaning, ha. Tandaan nyo po, basta less than 0.05, ang meaning po niyan, they are statistically relevant and significant. So ito po sa first na trial natin, ito po yung ginawa sa laboratory for several number of people. Makikita natin dito, ang question kasi dito is, may effect ba ang Sarapep New sa speed of attention? Ito yung naging question. May effect ba ang Sarapep New sa speed of attention? Magiging mabilis ba silang mag-isip? Now, in terms of millisecond, makikita nyo dito sa y-axis, ito po yung y-axis sa left side, makikita nyo in terms of millisecond, medyo mataas po ang bar graph. Siguro nasa mga around mga 11 or 12 siguro po ito kung di ako magkamali. And this signifies that about 11 millisecond bago nakapag-respond yung mga tao na hindi gumamit ng Sarapep. And interestingly, yung mga respondents na pinagamit ng Sarapep, interestingly, less than 0. Alright, ito po, less than 0. In terms of millisecond, yung speed of attention nila, it came out na mas mabilis silang nakapag-isip or mas mabilis yung kanilang apprehension or cognition in terms of whatever yung test na binigay sa kanila, mas mabilis silang nag-respond when they took Sarapep New. Alright? So ito po ang ibig sabihin yan sa first na illustration. Samantalang sa second illustration naman, ladies and gentlemen, this is another question na naman, another statistical question. Ang lumabas po sa p-value, mas grabe yung lumabas sa p-value kasi the more lesser 0.05, the more mataas ang kanyang integrity po sa correlation. Okay? Sa kanilang interconnectedness. So, ang lumabas po dito sa p-value is 0.01. Ang question naman nito is, nakakabawas ba ng mental fatigue ang pagtitake ng Sarapep New or yung ating ingredient? The answer is that, based on this graph, alright, dito po sa placebo, ito po yung hindi gumamit ng Sarapep, tumaas po yung kanilang mental fatigue, while those people or respondents administered with Sarapep New as one of our ingredient is that, interestingly, mababa po ang rate ng mental fatigue. Alright? So ito po ang result, laboratory results, and I believe, ladies and gentlemen, science will not tell a lie, numbers will not tell a lie. And I cited here a reference so that you can also validate kung totoo po ba itong sinasabi ko sa inyo. And in fact, this research was actually evaluated using computerized mental performance assessment system or the COMPASS, as well as the quantitative near-infrared spectroscopy or QNIRS. Alright? So that's why masasabi po natin this is very, very valid. Now, aside from the Sarapep New, ladies and gentlemen, gumamit din po tayo ng another ingredient. Because sabi ko nga kanina, as I've said, hindi pwedeng isang ingredient lang kasi nga dapat synergy. Hindi pwedeng iisa lang. Right? So gumamit tayo ng coenzyme Q10. Ang CoQ10 naman, ladies and gentlemen, nakukuha naman natin to sa mga prutas, sa gulay, sa mga kinakain nating karne. But of course, hindi ganoon karami. Alright? CoQ10 actually, napoproduce naman siya ng ating katawan. But the problem is, as we age, umiiksi siya yung production, lumiliit yung production ng CoQ10. Kaya nararamdaman talaga natin na kapag tumatanda tayo, nanghihina tayo. One of the reason is yung bumababa yung level ng CoQ10. Ano ba itong CoQ10, Sir Ryan? CoQ10 is responsible for the energy production ng ating heart at saka ng ating brain. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that our heart pumps 24/7. Hindi pwedeng magpahinga ang heart natin ng 1 minuto. Dahil nasisiguro ko po sa iyo, pag yun nangyari, kapag nagpahinga ang heart kahit 1 minuto lang, pati ikaw mamamahinga ka rin habang buhay. So can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, the tremendous need amount of energy. Kasi 24/7 yan siyang nagpapump. So kailangan ng energy. And the currency energy of our body, okay, kailangan mo ng energy, bumili kang energy. Ano yung energy na yun? Ano yung kailangan na yun ng energy? Ano yung gagamitin na pambili or currency ng energy? It's no other than this what we call as adenosine triphosphate. Etong adenosine triphosphate na ito yung nagiging energy currency ng ating body. Apparently, hindi ito na-utilize or napoproduce ng marami sa ating katawan at hindi ito na-deliver sa ating heart at saka sa ating brain without enough level of CoQ10. Okay, sana po naintindihan niyo po. Medyo technical po ito but I would really like to educate you about this one. So, kapag mataas ang level ng CoQ10, ibig sabihin mataas ang level ng energy. Pag mataas ang level ng energy, hindi basta-basta napapagod si heart at hindi na basta-basta napapagod si brain. So meaning to say, what's my point? Ganito po. Etong si CoQ10 could possibly has a synergistic effect with the Sarapep New. Kasi ang Sarapep, ang gagawin niya, ibababa niya yung stress hormone mo while at the same time, itong si CoQ10, i-energize na yung heart mo at saka yung brain mo. So nagkakaroon ng synergistic effect. Sana po naunawaan po natin. So magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity and cognitive function kapag ka na-energize ang heart mo as well as your brain. Alright? Now, aside from this one, aside from the first two, una ko nabanggit, Sarapep or yung Timot pepper. Pangalawa is CoQ10. Pangatlo po is what we call as magnesium. Why? For the past how many years, it is ako po ay talagang believer po talaga sa magnesium. Bakit po ako believer sa magnesium? Because po masyado po tayong na-hype sa vitamin C and vitamin D, but without knowing na mas mahalaga pa po pala ang magnesium because magnesium is involved to more than 300 metabolic functions of our body. Binansagan po ang magnesium as the master mineral because it instructs vitamins and other minerals what to do and where to do it. Siya yung parang taga-utos, no, saan mo gagawin at anong gagawin mo. Inuutusan niya ang mga vitamins and minerals. Now, what's the good thing about magnesium is that binansagan kasi ang magnesium as the calming mineral because it has the ability to activate this what we call as the gamma-aminobutyric acid in our body, which is kapag ka na-activate ito guys, this will promote a feeling to you of calmness and relaxation. Kaya nga pala ang magnesium is a relaxing mineral or calming mineral. Alright? Because of activating your gamma-aminobutyric acid. And while at the same time, it also has the ability, the same with the Timot pepper, it has the ability to lower your cortisol production because it regulates this what we call as hypothalamic pituitary adrenal or the HPA. Alright? Kanina po na-mention ko sa inyo regarding po doon sa pagkakaroon ng calcium deposit sa artery. What's the good thing with magnesium is that ito po ay binansagang calcium antagonist. Why? Because magnesium is the one responsible to regulate calcium in our body. Inuutusan niya ang calcium na wag kang umalis sa buto, doon ka lang sa buto, wag kang sumama sa blood. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangang sumama sa blood. Alright? Ayan siya. So that's the function of our one of our ingredients which is magnesium. Now, you might ask me a question, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Ryan. Ano pong klaseng magnesium ang ginamit natin? Kasi ang dami naman pong magnesium sa market. We have this magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, magnesium glycinate, magnesium stearate. Alright? I suggested with the company, sabi ko sa company, it's good to be or it's good to have or use this magnesium known as magnesium taurate. Okay, bakit po magnesium taurate? It's kasi po, ang target kasi talaga natin is the brain. We want to activate the brain. And I know for sure, familiar kayo sa word na taurine. Di ba po, ang dami nito sa mga food supplements na para sa bata like Propan, Nutroplex, even nga energy drink, meron din taurine. Di ba, yung Cobra energy drink, tingnan nyo yung label, meron yan siyang taurine. Ano bang ginagawa ng taurine? Taurine kasi is actually, it's good for mental boost, mental alertness. Aside from the fact na sa mga bata, pampagana siya sa kain, but for us adults, it's actually good for the brain. Kaya siya andun siya sa mga energy drinks, like the Cobra energy drink, Lipobitan, Red Bull, ayan, meron yan siyang taurine. Okay? So good thing, ang ginamit natin is magnesium taurate. Now, another thing, aside from that one, ladies and gentlemen, we also ask or seek help from the Japan Bioscience Laboratory. That's why we came up with this ingredient no, na nilagay natin. This is what we call as the Biozyme or postbiotic. Ano po ba itong postbiotic or Biozyme? Actually po, ladies and gentlemen, ang Biozyme po is actually a byproduct. Okay, it's a postbiotic and bioactive. Okay, now guys, baka mapansin nyo ba? Parati ko talaga sinasabi yung word na bioactive. When I say bioactive, ang ibig sabihin yan, readily absorbable. Meaning to say, pag pumasok sa katawan, absorb ka agad ng katawan. Ang tawag po dyan is bioactive. Kasi pag hindi po bioactive, it has to go through digestion. Kailangan pa siyang dumaan sa hydrochloric acid, ida-digest pa siya, i-ferment pa siya, saka siya maging bioactive compound. Unlike with our ingredients, bioactive form na siya. Meaning to say, readily absorbable by the body. Etong Biozyme po is galing po siya sa 40 kinds of different fruits and vegetables. Ang tawag po niyan, prebiotic. Okay? Ang prebiotic po, ito po yung mga herbs and vegetables na nilagyan po natin ng probiotic. Ang probiotic po are good living organisms. Ito po yung healthy good bacteria. Na kapag finerment po nila itong prebiotic, it serves as their food, no? Nagiging pagkain nila ang prebiotic, while ang probiotic naman ay the living organisms or bacteria, yung kanila pong yung kanila pong excretion, meron po silang byproduct na ini-excrete or nilalabas. And that is what we call as the postbiotic. Okay? Hindi po ito living, non-living po itong postbiotic. Ito po yung byproduct ng probiotics in which, in layman's terms, sabihin na lang natin kung sa tao pa, para bang, kapag kumain ka, nabusog ka, ilalabas mo yung dumi mo. Yun yung byproduct mo sa tao, yung dumi mo. So sa probiotics naman, yung kanilang byproduct is this postbiotic, which is, according sa study ng JBSL or Japan Bioscience Laboratory, kinuha ko po sa kanila ito sa website po nila, nilagay ko po dito yung kanila pong link so that you can validate whether totoo ba itong sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Okay, ito po siya. Ayan, ito. Ito po ay galing po, ayan po yung source, andyan po yan. You can actually ask for the person who invited you to ask for this link. Ito pong postbiotic contains amino acid, vitamins, and minerals in bioactive form. Now, what's my point? Ladies and gentlemen, every day nasisira yung ating DNA. May mga cells na namamatay sa atin po every day. And because of the damage of the DNA, our cell requires a material. Kailangan niya ng materials to repair the damaged DNA. And the repair mechanism of our cell, para ma-repair niya ang damaged DNA, wala po siyang ibang kailangan kundi amino acid. Ito po yung kailangan niya, yung amino acid, para ma-repair po yung damaged DNA. Alright? So, another thing is that postbiotic, loaded po siya ng vitamins. Specifically, the B vitamins. What about the B vitamins pala, Sir Ryan? Ano po pala ang nandyan? Okay. I would like to point it out. Kami po dito sa aming family po, kami po ay avid fan po talaga kami ng B-complex. Kami po, yung aking family, full po kami, gumagamit kami everyday ng B-complex na vitamins. Tablet po siya. Itago na lang po natin sa pangalang Farex B-complex kasi mura lang. Why? We are taking B vitamins to protect the integrity of our nerves. Kung ikaw yung tipong tao na nakaka-experience ka na ng pangangalay, minsan nang lulupay-pay ka na, you better check the condition of your nerves. Kasi baka andun yung problem. So to bring back, no, the integrity of your nerves, that's why we need B vitamins. May nagsabi naman sa akin, Sir Ryan, B vitamins lang naman pala, andyan naman yan sa watermelon. Yes, totoo. Pero kailangan mong kumain ng isang katutak na watermelon bago mo makuha yung enough na dosage ng B vitamins, mas malaki yung gastos mo. Alright? So the good thing is that B vitamins is already included in our product because postbiotic contains loaded B vitamins and as well as minerals. Ito po, mahalaga po talaga ang minerals. I am an advocate of mineral. In fact, meron po akong radio program, it's in 101.5 Edge FM before, Health Alert to Class Kalusugan. Ang focus ko naman po doon is to promote minerals. Why? I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, na majority ng mga tao ngayon, 90% po ng mga tao ngayon ay nakaka-experience ng mineral deficiency. For what reason? You might ask me, Sir Ryan, ano yung proof mo na hindi ka naman gumawa ng laboratory test sa kanila? Simple lang. Ang una ko pong tanong, umiinom ka ba ng kape? Yun lang po talaga ang tinatanong ko. Because people who are coffee lovers are tantamount of saying that they have mineral deficiency. Why? Because ang kape po ay diuretic, nagpapaihi. And every time you take 1 cup of coffee, your kidney will squeeze out and throw out 3 cups of water. That's the reason why pag uminom kang kape, lalo na yung mga brewed coffee at saka 3-in-1 coffee, it contains about 350 milligrams of caffeine, which is very, very diuretic, enough to squeeze out and throw away 3 cups of water from your body. So pag sige ka ihi ng ihi, what will happen pag ihi ka ng ihi? Hindi ba maganda ang pag-ihi? Oh, yes, totoo. Maganda ang pag-ihi. Kaya lang, the problem is that sa sige mo ihi ng ihi, ang daming minerals na nagli-leach out sa iyong ihi, nasasama. That's why nagkakaroon ka ng mineral deficiency. Now you might tell me, Sir Ryan, are you telling me na hindi na ako iinom ng kape? Hindi naman ganun. Kasi if you're going to ask me, umiinom ba ako ng kape? My answer is yes. I am actually drinking coffee. Kaya lang, regulated na, controlled na. And at the same time, whenever I drink coffee, I always replenish with 3 cups of water. But I have to make sure na yung water ko ay may mineral content. So the good thing is that with our product, with Sika Plus, nare-replenish yung ating minerals na nawala sa katawan dahil sa frequent urination. Okay? So sana po maintindihan po natin. Ayan. Okay? Next. Aside from this one, ladies and gentlemen, meron na tayong magnesium, may postbiotic, and may coenzyme Q10. We also added a very, very powerful ingredient coming from also Nibel Biochemistry of Switzerland. Ito pong apple stem cell. Why? In fact, ang dami-dami na pong testimonies around, not only in the Philippines, but around the world when we talk about apple stem cell. Okay, isa po itong uri ng green apple which is only present in Switzerland na napaka-potent po ng kanyang phytonutrients which is found to be very, very effective as a rejuvenator for the human body. So might as well, we decided na isalin na rin siya sa ating capsule since we are also getting our timut pepper coming from Nibel Biochemistry. So isa lang yung source natin sa kanila din. So nilagay na rin po natin ang apple stem cell. Alright? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po pwedeng mawala ang vitamin C. Why? Because our body doesn't have this enzyme known as gulonolactone oxidase. It is the responsible to produce vitamin C sa body. But unfortunately, ang tao, ang unggoy, ang guinea pig, wala po tayong enzyme na ganyan. Hindi po tayo kagaya sa daga. Na ang daga kahit nakatira sa kanal, healthy pa rin sila. Why? Because they can produce vitamin C as much as they want. Yung mga aso, di ba? You can actually, you've already seen yung mga karne ng aso, ang dami palang bulate ng karne ng aso, pero how will they able to survive? It's because they have the capacity to produce vitamin C sa body nila. Ganun po sila, but we cannot actually question God. God, bakit ganun yung tao? Walang vitamin C sa katawan. So that's the reason why we have to outsource vitamin C coming from, it's either the food we eat, over-the-counter medication, yung mga vitamin C na over-the-counter, or the good thing is that you take Sika Plus every day, nare-replenish na rin yung iyong vitamin C requirement. Alright? And of course, we also added proprietary blend. No? Maliit lang na porsyento ng acai berry and blackberry. Konting-konti lang naman. Okay, just to add up and fill the capsule. Okay, so Sika Plus, okay, ito pong Sika Plus is the food for the brains. Bakit po food for the brains? Sir Ryan, bakit po brains? Para pong ano yan para pong grammar ka po niyan, Sir Ryan. Bakit brains? Isa lang naman ang brain ng ating katawan. No, hindi po. Hindi po isa ang brain ng ating katawan. Tatlo po. We have this what we call as the cephalic brain. We have this enteric brain and the cardiac brain. Okay? Cephalic, enteric, cardiac. That's why tinawag po siyang C-E-K or Sika. Alright? Diyan po natin kinuha yung brand natin na Sika. Cephalic, enteric, and cardiac brain. Okay? So, bakit may plus? Because it also added benefits, no? Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung sa nerves, yung sa vasodilation, regulating your calcium level. So ito na po yung mga plus benefits niya. So that's why we have this Sika Plus. Okay, kaya siya binansagan na the first brain, heart, and gut supplement in DR capsule. Ano ibig sabihin ng DR capsule? DR stands for delayed release capsule. Kung makikita nyo po dito sa screen, meron po ditong stomach na may capsule sa loob at may urasan. Ibig sabihin po, kapag pa pumasok sa stomach natin itong capsule natin, hindi po siya natutunaw ng acid. Because ang DR caps po, ito po, dito po sa table, ang DR caps is an acid resistant. Now, someone asked me, saan po ba ginawa yung capsule natin? Okay, our capsule is actually manufactured by Lonza, Switzerland. Kilalang kilala po si Lonza worldwide. Bakit? Kung ikaw yung tipong tao na nagbebenta ka sa mga iba't ibang MLM companies na mga pampapayat na L-carnitine, Mostly po ng L-carnitine sa Philippines, ang brand po niyan ay Carnipure, which is actually coming from the Lonza, Switzerland. Okay, ganyan po yung integrity ni Lonza po. Alright? Now, you're going to ask me, Sir Ryan, ano po ba yung capsule? Veggie caps? The answer is no. Seaweeds? No. Galing po saan yung capsule? Galing po sa pulp ng edible na kahoy. Kasi yung pulp po, hindi po siya natutunaw ng ating stomach, bagkus po ay dediretso siya sa small intestine, and because of the movement of the small intestine known as the peristalsis, doon po siya nadudurog, nababasag, at lumalabas na i-expose ang mga ingredients at naa-absorb ng small intestine instantly because po bioactive form po siya. Alright? So sana po naunawaan. So who would be our target market if ever? No, you might ask me the question, Sir Ryan. Kung magnenegosyo tayo ng Sika Plus, sino naman yung ating mga market nito? Every product, you have to look for a specific market. Okay? Ito po yung market natin. These are the corporate executives. Hindi po sila masakitin, pero I believe mas stressful po yung buhay nila. Ito po yung mga manager sa bangko, manager sa mga different companies na sa sobrang dami ng trabaho nila, na-stress sila. So I think they need to decrease their level of cortisol and increase the level of serotonin and dopamine. So that is where we will come in. Diyan tayo papasok ngayon to introduce to them a solution. Even the entrepreneurs, ang daming negosyante ngayon, stress ang buhay. Maraming pera, stress ka naman. So meaning to say, tutulungan natin sila. Those people taking board exam, bar exam, isa din po sila sa mga markets natin, even the BPO agents, lalong-lalo ng